Tracking this developing story, SB 1070 just 2 days away from going into law, and a lot of people are paying very close attention to what is about to happen here in Arizona. And when I say a lot of people, we're talking all across the country. National news networks sending crews here in anticipation of what could happen on Thursday. We're going to talk live now with the Arizona Capital Times Yellow Sheet editor, Christian Palmer. Hey, thank you for joining us. Tell me exactly what you guys think is going to happen in the next 2 days. Do you have any idea if we'll see some sort of injunction, some sort of dismissal?
Well, the judge has given several indications that she has a few problems with some portions of the law. Basically, she didn't seem to like the fact that it seemed to give police unlimited power to hold people, and in fact require them to hold people until their citizenship could be verified.
And Christian,
but we have until Wednesday. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. We have until Wednesday to find out. I mean, she could realistically bring out an injunction on Friday after this goes into effect. Is that correct? She doesn't have to do this before Thursday.
No, she doesn't, but it would be most likely that she would to prevent any sort of overlapping confusion.
And Christian, we were just talking earlier about the fact that Governor Brewer came out yesterday asking a judge to throw out the U.S. Justice Department's challenge. I don't understand. This is sort of what they already did in court. Is this pretty much her just kind of proving her point all over again?
I read the filing yesterday. It seems to be somewhat of a legal long shot, and it somewhat addresses a little bit of the problems that I guess Judge Bolton brought up in the courtroom. So some of the things that she grilled the state's attorneys on wound up in this filing. I think it would be a real long shot to say that that motion to dismiss would be granted before we reach the date of effectiveness for the law, or the injunction is issued or rejected.
You would have to imagine the judge at this point is already in the process of making some sort of decision that this probably wouldn't make that much of a difference.
Yeah, I would say that, and I would say for the fact that it'd be fairly hard to argue that anyone, I guess, could have a stronger reason for being involved in a lawsuit like this than the federal government and the Department of Justice.
All right, Christian Palmer with the Arizona Capital Times Yellow Sheet. Thank you for joining us this morning. We appreciate that. We're going to keep tracking this story as we have continuing coverage on SB 1070 and what is expected to happen. We're going to talk with Cleveland, a reporter out in Cleveland in just a little bit here about what other states are thinking or looking at, what lawmakers in other states are saying about SB 1070, because you know how it is. This SB 1070 is so polarizing, it seems everyone seems to have some sort of opinion. Unlike the weather, I mean, everyone kind of agrees it's been hot.